I've always loved pinball. I've always owned my own pinball machine. It used to be sitting right over there. I think a lot of people have, especially in their childhood, had an opportunity to play pinball, and a lot of people really enjoyed it. It's a great game to play because anyone can play it. You can be a 6-year-old kid, can just come up, there's just 2 buttons, and you got to keep the ball going. That's all you got to think about. So it's family fun because you don't need to be an expert at this game. You don't have to spend 10 hours training on how to play pinball. It's something anyone can jump into, but they may not have the ability to own a $4,000 machine. But virtual pinball kind of opens up that world to those kinds of people. And then I realized pretty quickly that there aren't a lot of options for builders out there in the world for like actually getting all the components in there, the plunger, the buttons, the accelerometer, all the solenoids working to have a real virtual pinball experience. And so that's when I kind of invented or came up with some new designs. Probably the biggest challenge is figuring out how it's going to be manufactured. The process for making sure that, I get all the parts together, and then I have to be able to train other people how to make these things. It's not just me making them, and able to make them in a way that is consistent and repeatable. If I was buying this myself and it showed up at my door and I put good money into it, would I be happy with the result? And that's what I want my customers to see. And that's what I want all my employees to be pursuing whenever they're putting these things together. One of the things that I love doing, you can ask anyone that knows me, is I love helping other people. I want to do the best of my ability to make sure that at the end of the day, their life is better because I was involved in that process in some way. You'll notice that my documentation on all the products is very good, very comprehensive. It goes over how to install and use in all the different frameworks that are out there for pinball. I also respond to every question, and I make sure that if you have issues, I'm going to resolve them for you. I'm going to figure out how to get it going in your end. When I think about this company and what I want it to do, I want this company to bless other people. So that's my main goal, whether it's blessing the employees who work for me or the customers who buy my products. I want you to be able to receive my products or the interaction with you and come back with a positive experience after that. And that's my goal here. I want to be someone in this world who brings good things to others.